Good morning to everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning. So, what we are discussing last class, I think LSNW completed, correct? So, we created a cost centers by using the LSNW. So, let's create a write down display cost centers. Display cost centers. Path SAP menu. Accounting. Controlling. Cost center accounting. Master data. Cost center. Individual processing display. KS03 is the T code. JCOA is a controlling area. And what are the cost centers we created yesterday? We can see all cost centers. So these things we give the different format. So this is only display. You cannot do any corrections. Okay. So here control tab. What are the options here activated? If you want to mention any address of the cost center, you can mention. Communication details, phone number, fax numbers already. And also you can see the history, who has created, when it was created. So any changes also will be recorded here. So any corrections you done, you can see that changes here in the cost center. Okay. Now write down next change cost center. K02. K02 change cost center. So in real-time environment, separate team will be there to maintain the cost centers. Actually, so one of my project, 3 consultants will work only for cost center changes because global levelly the company globally a lot of company codes are there and every day a lot of request comes. So cost center change, cost center delete, cost center modification, cost center copy. Lot of requests comes from the business. So 3 consultants are working only for cost center creation, cost center modification, only master data related to cost center. Okay, so that much demand will be there in a cost center point of view. Okay, so a lot of work will be there. So here I'm changing GI01. So Patan admin cost center. So instead of Nagendra, Ramesh Nagar. Save it. So we have done some corrections. Text we corrected. Let me correct one more also. So HR cost center, like this we maintain. So next display changes. Display changes in cost center, KS05. Display changes in cost center, KS05. New cost center. Enter. Click on all changes. So you can see corrections here. So previously Narendra is there. Now we change it to Ramesh Nagar. So this is a new value, this is a old value. Okay. Every change will be recorded by the system. Okay. Will be recorded by the system. Every change. Previously Jindal is there. Now we change it to this one. So next delete cost center KS04. So company code wise it will show. Suppose I want to delete this cost center. Sales cost center. First we'll go with test run. So this can be deleted. Suppose if you posted any transactions, so we cannot delete. Once you posted transactions, you cannot delete. Okay. Press back button, remove test and execute. Press back button, remove test and execute. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. So objects were deleted. So if you want to create again, you can create. Okay, cost center we created once again. So one we deleted, one we created again. Okay. So how do you do collective processing? Right? Change cost centers more than two. Change cost centers more than two. Up to cost center same path. Select collective processing. Change. Case 12. Suppose I want to do some corrections in the Singapore cost centers. Up to this. Note it down. Screen as it is. Execute. So I want to change this Brunton. Mistakenly Fremont we gave it. It's a Brunton. Say at a time we can correct for multiple cost centers. Okay. So maybe any changes we can do that. Save it. So now it is corrected. So Brunton it is corrected. So we have Fremont also it is there. So maybe you have to press page down. Yeah, page down. We have a see all are Brunton cost centers. So similarly for JI02 also changes required. Thane, this is correct order. And JI01 we have Patan, Balnagar, Guntur. So still we have one corporate finance is there. We'll correct this one. So we can go for one by one. Yeah, nice. Just write it down. T codes only. Display cost center for more than two. KS 13. Delete cost center KS 14. I don't want to show you that. Correct? You want me to show you that? Display means only for display purpose only. So all cost centers it will show you. Wherever you want to do corrections, you can do that. So delete means from range of customers you can delete it. Range of customers, range of cost centers you can delete it. So these are all cost centers you want to delete, you can delete it. But make sure that there is no transactions in that particular cost center. There is no cons, there is no transactions. Okay. So I'm just doing corrections. So GI01 corporate finance. So now we have a cost element, we have a cost center, everything is there. So let us try to post one entry. So we'll come back to this activity types and statistical master data also. But once you post a transaction, so it will not allow to delete. So I'll show you that. Okay. So let me post one entry and then we'll check whether it will allow to delete or not. Okay. So go to FB50. Posting with cost center. enter. See what is the message it will ask. Suppose if you try to save it, previously what is the error message will get it? If you try to save it, what is the error message will get it? Anybody?
Regarding business area and profit center.
Correct. So business area mandatory field, profit center is mandatory field. So it will throw error message. See now what is the error message will get it. So no business area, why it is coming? Oh sorry, company code is II01 is there. Sorry. First thing is company code, we have to correct it. GI01. See, this is error message. Noted down this error message. Because previously 4,30,000 account is a only GL account. Now it is a cost element. So not only GL account, we converted as a cost element with category 1. So whenever we posting a document with category 1, it requires a CO object. It requires a CO object. Okay? CO object means any CO object. It may be a cost center, it may be internal order, it may be a production order, it may be a WBS element, any CO object. When it comes to cost center accounting, our CO object is cost center. Okay? So we need to give cost center. Okay? When you give cost center, it picks everything from the cost center. I'm just giving cost center, corporate finance. GI01 corporate finance. A corporate admin. Okay? Just give corporate admin cost center. So here, I want to give some example. So before marriage, if you go to any function, so nobody will ask you. So you are a bachelor. So if you come, so nobody will ask you. So you came alone. Okay. But after marriage, you went to marriage without your wife. So everybody will ask you, where is your wife? Correct or not? Correct or not? Similarly, here also, see here, before this is a GL account only. Now this is turned up into a cost element. 4,30,000 previously is only finance is only GL account. Now we converted as a cost element. It requires a CO object. So without CO object, it will not allow to post a transaction. Okay. So from the cost center, it picks everything. Salary payable account not there. So here salary payable account not there. Let me create it. Or you can give cash account also, but let me create. So no salary payable account is available. From the cost center, see system picks business area, system picks profit center, system picks function area, everything picks automatically. Segment also picks automatically. Segment, functional area, because it is available in a cost center, correct? So everything is available in cost center. If you see the K03 cost center level, it is there already. So here we have a business area is available, function area available, profit center is available. Every profit center will have a segment. So from the cost center, it picks everything. So from the cost center, when you give the cost center, your business area, profit center, and function area segment picks automatically. Save it. So once you give a debit line item, automatically updated to credit line item. So please note it down this entry. Please note it down in the values. So cost center will update only in expenditure line items. Cost center will be restricted only for expenditure line item. So that's the organic farming, okay? So business area profits, sorry. The business area profit center segment and cost center is updated, okay? And this document having controlling document, okay? So from the environment menu, select document. From the environment menu, document environment, accounting documents. So here controlling document is generated here. So controlling document is generated here. And this is the document. So only one line item will be there. So this is your CO object, and this is your cost element, and this is a 60,000 amount. Okay, and this is the cost center number. So and we can see the offset account that is called salary payable account. Salary payable account 1,70,000 salary payable account. You can see that, and you can see the document details in adder level. You can see. So it will take into your finance document, and also we can see what is your document number, CO document number, which fiscal year. Coin, COIN, coin is a business transaction. It will be used to post from finance to FI. If you do any posting from finance to FI, finance to CO, coin is going to be taken by the system. Coin is like a document type in SA. Okay. So like finance model, we have a document type, SA document type, AB document type, KR document type. Similarly, in controlling also, we have a business transactions. So coin is a business transaction. For every financial postings in CO model, it update a coin. Okay. So document date, posting date, everything will be recorded here. So time also will be recorded. So table, BKPF table. Okay. So now I'll come back to cost center master data. So we can whether we can uh, post delete a corporate cost center or not, because we post a transaction kada. So whether it will allow to delete it or not. So I'm just trying to delete corporate admin cost center. It will not allow to delete. See, deletion is not possible. So once you posted any transaction, it will not allow to delete a transaction, delete a cost center. Okay. So deletion is not possible. Okay. Deletion is not possible. So you created a wrong cost center, but you posted an entry, but a system is not allowing to delete. Correct? System is not allowing to delete. But going forward, I don't want to allow to this cost center any postings, but I want to block it. Okay. Mistakenly, I created one cost center. I posted entries. So now it's not allowing to delete. What I need to do? I want to block it. Means I don't want to allow any postings to the particular cost center. Okay. So write down how to block cost center. How to block cost center KS02. Give the cost center JI01 901000. Control tab. So I want to block cost center because I want to block actual primary cost, actual secondary cost, and commitments. Keep the checkbox here. So blocking means it will not allow for any postings. Save. So now, if you try to post an entry now, see that message, note it down this message. Cost center. Blocked it for against direct postings. So it will not allow to post any transaction to this cost center. That's called blocking of the cost center. blocking of the cost center. Okay. So I want to remove the checkbox. So now it will allow for postings. Okay. Blocking and unblocking. Blocking and unblocking. So this is for expenditure. Suppose I am posting a document with revenues. So 3,20,000 also not available. So done. So now it is asking for CO object. Note it down this 3,20,000 revenue account. But it is asking for CO object. Note it down. So now I'm trying to give cost object. See what is the message it is showing.
Blocked against the revenue postings.
Note it down that. So what I need to do for this?
We unblock for particular revenue posting.
So we are unblocking. You want to unblock revenues, correct?
Yes, sir.
So unblocking to revenues to the cost center, that is wrong. So revenues we are not allowing to post to the cost center. Then it's a revenue cost center.
Okay.
So very rare case we use revenue cost center. Revenues will be allowed.
Okay.
So revenues we are not going to allow. Then suppose some cases like Bata, they have a branch wise they want to see the profit and loss account, then revenues also will be allowed. That's a revenue related profit center. So revenues are not going to be allowed to the cost centers. Then what I need to do? Simply give business area and profit center, ZHYD, profit center, C1000, 9,000. So the error is gone.
Yeah.
So it shows the message that the true account assignment object with the This just noted down this message. This only warning messages or information messages. I'm not given any cost center. How you gave previously, the same way I'm just giving business area profit center. The cost center we need to give only expenditure, not for revenues. Save it. So cash account to cash rent received is updated. So CO document will generate or not? CO document will be generated or not?
Generated, sir.
How? Because I have not given cost center, na? So CO document generated.
No.
Sir, business area and functional area already there. No.
No.
Sir, it is not generated because sir, it is revenue sir transaction.
Now it will generate.
Profit center.
It will generate a CO document. But the point is that the CO document will be generated with the default object profitability segment. The CO object will take it as a profitability segment as a default CO object, 24,000 rent received will be updated. How this profitability analysis will trigger means any cost element with 11 category, 12 category, any cost element with 11 category accounts and 12 category account, system will take by default. These 11 category accounts and 12 category accounts, system will take by default to CO object is a profitability segment. Only one category cost elements we give cost center. Cost center is mandatory, cost center we need to provide. But any account having 11 category accounts and 12 category accounts, revenues and sales deductions. So system will take by default profitability segment as a default CO object. So no need to give any CO object. Okay. So that is the main thing. And so a lot of people are not came today. So I'll stop it here. Remaining master data we'll discuss tomorrow's class, Monday class. Okay. So your activity types and statistical key figures, other CO master data we'll talk about to Monday's class. Thank you very much. Nice to all.
Thank you, sir.